Hello friends! In today's tutorial, we have something special for you. We'll be exploring logo.com, a fantastic online tool that allows you to create professional logos with ease. Whether you're starting a new business or looking to revamp your brand, logo.com has got you covered. So, let's dive right in and create a stunning logo using logo.com. We'll be using the example of a pizza brand called Pizza Crunch, with the catchy slogan, "Crispy, Cheesy, Crusty." Let's get started. First, open up your web browser and go to logo.com. Once you're on the website, you'll notice a clean and user-friendly interface. The first thing we need to do is enter our business name, Pizza Crunch, in the provided text box. Once you've typed it in, click on the Make Logo button. Excellent! Now, the website will ask us for a slogan. Let's use "Crispy, Cheesy, Crusty" as our catchy slogan that perfectly represents our delicious pizzas. Type it into the slogan text box. Next, the website will ask us about the business industry. Since we're in the food industry, select Food as our industry. Now, the website will ask us about color and font preferences. For this tutorial, we'll skip these steps and proceed to the next stage. We've now reached the exciting part where we choose whether to include an icon in our logo or not. Select with icon to add an eye-catching visual element to our design. Great choice! Now, the website will ask us for some keywords related to our icon. Let's use pizza, cheese, and pizza box as our keywords. These will help us find the perfect icons that represent our pizza brand. Once you've entered the keywords, click on the Continue button. Look at that! The website now displays a selection of logo samples based on our inputs. Take your time to browse through them and find one that catches your eye. Found a logo that you like? Great! Now, let's move on to customizing our chosen logo. You have the freedom to edit the name, style, font, color, and even the icon itself. On the left-hand side, you have ideas to customize your business name, card style, and other input options. Then we have layouts, colors options, containers to wrap a logo inside a container like a circle or square. Then we have a business name to choose the right font settings. Then slogan settings, then we have icon settings. You can type the icon name that you want to apply to it. Let me make a few changes. Alright. With a few tweaks, we've transformed a pre-designed logo into a unique representation of your brand, Pizza Crunch. Click on this preview button. Here you can preview your logo in large. Click on this Get Your Logo. Log into this to download your logo, and it is absolutely free. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, we've created a professional logo for Pizza Crunch using logo.com. This powerful tool empowers you to unleash your creativity and design a logo that truly represents your brand. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and enjoyed exploring the logo.com platform. So, go ahead and give it a try for your own business or personal projects. The possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe to get more such videos.